Hey dojo friends, I was asked to do a quick review on this entry-level katana from Romance of Men Sword Company. So let's take a closer look at this sword. Let's take a look at this katana here. This is from Romance of Men, which is a knife and sword company. This is an entry-level sword that Sarah sent me. Sarah was very kind and wanted to get this sword for a quick review to our subscribers, you guys out there watching. Again, they market this as an entry-level sword. It is not a high-end sword. This one on the website runs for about $147. I printed it out here so I wouldn't mess up any of the information that they have on their website. However, it's on sale right now for $118 as of the taping of this video. It's not a bad sword. Again, it's an entry level. The ones that I've seen on their website, they go as high as $270 for a bit of a higher end sword with a better blade. But this again is an entry level sharp katana. Let's take a quick look. I'm not crazy about the double colored wrapping, but some people love that, to have the black and the red Ito here, which is fine. I've never been a fan of double colored wrapping, but some people really like that showiness of it. It has a fake same here. I can tell that that is not real. It is plastic. Again, you're going to get what you pay for, so that's not real shark skin underneath. It's shiny. It's got a lot of decoration on it. The handle is wrapped well. It's definitely tight enough. It's not super tight. So if I can move this like that, that's going to give you trouble over a while. It's going to come, it's going to move around a lot, so it's not too tightly wrapped. Looking at the butt end cap here, it looks like some sort of gold flower on there, and these are probably stamped out. I don't think they're real brass or anything. Suba guard is a nice golden dragon on it here, you can see. I don't know if the dragon, yeah, it's on both sides, and again, that's probably stamped out. It's certainly not hand carved. The blade itself, breaking the seal, is sharp. I know that this is a 1060 carbon steel. There it is. The hamon does not look handmade to me because it's too perfect, and you can tell when it's either machine made or etched. So it's definitely not, in my opinion, handmade by smiths. However, it does say made by a master swordsmith. You guys know how I feel. There's no such thing as a master, but take it for what it is. It's a good blade. I haven't cut with it. I'm not going to cut with it, but it is very, very sharp. Looking at the specs, it says it's a 1060 carbon steel. It has a blade thickness of 2.273, and it's a 53 on the Rockwell scale of hardness, so you're not going to break the thing easily. The overall length is 40 inches from top to bottom. Kosaki is medium here. That would certainly do some damage for self-defense. I'm not sure how long the handle is. Let's see what other specs they have. Blade grind, they label it as convex. The weight is 37 ounces or 1.03 kilograms. The weight with the sheath is 44 ounces. And it says sheath material is painted wood. It is labeled here as sharp, sturdy, and fully functional katana, great for actual practicing or collecting. It has a full tang made of hand-forged 1060 carbon steel using traditional heat treatment method to increase the hardness of the edge. Standard length, perfect balance, well, that's subjective. Comfortable grip, yes. Beautifully crafted, including all traditional katana elements. The blade is hand polished using the ancient method. I don't know if I agree with that. It might be hand polished for sure, but it is not like a forged blade like you're going to get for $2,000, of course. This is not a toy. Of course, make sure you are using with care. Clean and oil all blades after each use. Habaki here has got that shape on it. I like it. It says they're brass. I don't think it's brass. I think it's a stamped alloy metal. Seppa looks like a standard gold Seppa here. The Fuchi collar has the same type of flower design on it. Menuki looks like dragons underneath, and there's one on each side. Handle length is good. It's average, about, I'd say 12 inches or so. So for an entry-level sword, it's not bad. It's better than what I would have found back in the 1980s when I was looking. It seems like a lot of these, what I call low-end entry swords, are being made better than they used to be. Of course, what you think of the aesthetics of this is your opinion. I do like the kind of sponged saya here with the silver decoration here, and it's got the black high-level gloss saya. Looking at the Koiguchi, yeah, it's pretty standard here with the wood. You know, not a lot of time went into this making of this particular one. I do like the black and the red here. That is interesting to me. I like that wrapping because it's not intertwined, so that I find attractive. I like this. This is different. I don't think I would untie that. If that was mine, I would leave that. In the end, it's pretty standard. Not a bad sword. Again, if it was an entry-level sword, I would certainly pay the, what was the price again? 150? 147. And on sale for 118. That is a good deal for an entry-level sword. Of course, it's sharp, so you have to be very careful with it. I wouldn't use it around kids or pets or anything like that. But for $118, I think that this Romance of Men katana here is not bad. You know, I have swords that are $5,000, $6,000, so this is not marketed incorrectly. It's marketed accurately as an entry-level katana. It's good for the money, for sure. Am I going to cut with it? I don't think so, no. And I want to thank that company for giving me this sword. They didn't want it back, which again is awfully nice. I'm not getting paid to do this, but they did give us that sword, so make sure that you know that if you consider that a bias in here, although I thought I was fairly honest with what I think of it. Again, I don't care for the wrapping or the fake same here. It's a bit gaudy for me. I prefer a plainer sword, but again, these things should not, you shouldn't listen to my opinion. This is very, you know, subjective. What do you guys think? Do you like these colors? Do you like the mix and match here of the different wrapping? Do you like the shiny gold Super Guard? A lot of people do, especially for display. They want the big, bold colors to stick out in their wall. They have no intention of doing Yaido or Kenjutsu in a dojo with this. If you just want to hang it in your game room or cave or whatever, go for it. It's a nice display sword. So for $118, you can't go wrong. I'm going to put the link below, so if you want to order from this company, and so far their customer service has been really top-notch, go for it, and I think their shipping is within a week or two, at least in the continental US. Thank you, Sarah, from Romance of Men. They make knives and swords of different genres. Check them out on the website, give them a look at least, and order a sword if you want one for Christmas or holidays. So this is Mr. Norcross on behalf of the dojo, giving a quick review on this Kuroi Hanabi handmade katana, 1060 carbon steel. Kuroi Hanabi handmade katana. There you go. Thanks for watching, everybody. And if I don't see you or hear from you, have a great holiday season, and we'll have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.